Andromeda, and yours, according to Peter Quill, after a Terran dairy drink. I am still trying to comprehend you Terrans and your terms, but find Milky Way a curious choice.
It's awesome. I went there as a kid,
And now, please step forward into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
Back there for something.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Mic is on.
What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Teleported Terrans before, but since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guard. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, number 4?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Terrans for dogs.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator, and he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're no according to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We programmed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's he. Where's he?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This is where the Guardians is stand a chance. Right. What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse?
system.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way. Oh, crud. This bastard's
Generator, it's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! Do it!
Rockets, get us back.
We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Let me try this. We're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, leave your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. Our world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
We're back. Locking coordinates.
It's hot. Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, don't run our shit for these regards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?
Okay.
Welcome back to Epcot.
Well, enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, you did.
Please then exit the Star Jumper. The Nova Corps thanks you for your service.
Oh, it's still 2024 out there. Wow, look at that. I love your hair.
My establishment has everything you desire, from trinkets to treasures. Please peruse.
We're getting the store.